All right, so today we got this 1970 Honda CB450 that I picked up at Mid-Ohio Vintage Days. And the plan is to restore this into a vintage cafe racer because that's what we do. And yeah, it's pretty rough. Got a nice hole in the seat here, which obviously we're going to replace. Tank's going to be replaced. You know, clean the carburetors. Just basically do everything we can to get it running. And first step today is we're going to get it torn down and get the tires off. We're going to powder coat the wheels gold. And then tomorrow I'm going to start working on seeing what we need to do to get this thing running, just like doing a compression test on the motor, checking for spark, making sure it's getting fuel, you know, all the general stuff. All right, so first we're gonna get this seat removed and throw it in the trash. Get the tank off. Yeah, this thing hasn't ran for probably 20 years. We're also going to be doing a custom tank on this, so we're not going to be using the latch there, so we can get this removed. Definitely going to need a new speedo cable here. It seems to work, but I mean, obviously we're going to replace that.